To receive a purchase order, press the Receive button at the bottom of the layout. A new receipt record will be created, and you can navigate to that record here. A new receipt record can also be created by going to Menu, Receipt, Plus button. If you're already on the receipt layout, you can click the Add button in the Application menu, or the New Receipt command in the Platform menu. Notice the Quick Key option to keep your hands on the keyboard. Receipts are for any inventory that comes into your organization. This can be from a purchase order, a transfer order, or a return order. When you create a new receipt from the receipt layout, you'll need to define what type of order you are receiving. Then you'll need to select the particular order. This drop-down will filter based on the order type. Import the line items by clicking the Import button. The Receive All button populates the received quantity for all lines. This can be useful when you have a lot of line items. You can always edit the quantity prior to posting the receipt. Line items that require a serial number or a lot number must be added manually. To receive a serial number, enter the serial values, separated by a comma or a return. Trayse Inventory will count the values and populate the received quantity field. To receive a lot, enter the lot number, expiration date, and quantity received. If you received a partial lot, Trayse Inventory presumes that the rest of the items are also part of this receipt and have a different lot number. If that's not the case, just leave this line blank. Once you're finished entering the receipt data, click the Post button. You can receive a quantity less than the expected quantity. When this occurs against a purchase order, Trayse Inventory will mark that order as partially received, and future receipts can be made against it, as long as the Allow Backorder field is marked Yes. Additional receipts against a purchase order follow the same steps. Click the Receive button at the bottom of the layout. The new receipt only imports the line items that have a pending quantity. This process can be repeated as often as necessary. The most recent receipt record is visible on the purchase order layout. Previous receipt records for this purchase order are listed in More Receipt History.